So you found yourself looking into and researching how much money a new insurance agent can make. Maybe you are exploring different career paths, or you are looking for supplemental income and exploring different side hustles, or perhaps you are just sick and tired of seeing your insurance agent pull up to your annual policy review in a brand new Corvette and you're simply questioning all of your life choices. Regardless of the reason, this video will share with you what you can expect to earn if you are a new insurance agent. But first, a little bit about me. My name is Colin Wattenville, and I am the owner of an award-winning insurance agency that focuses on the health insurance space, which is Medicare, employee benefits, and all of the individual and family under 65 business. And I have been in this industry for about a decade now and have attended multiple national insurance conferences, been in a myriad of different rooms with agency owners, all the way down to brand new insurance agents, and have heard all sorts of stories about different income levels that new agents have made during the first few months and even couple years in their career. So the true answer to the question, how much can a new insurance agent make, is infinite. Unlimited. That's the short, simple, true answer. There we go. See you later. No, I'm just teasing. That is technically true. However, obviously, most agents do not make a lot of money within the first year of being in the industry, which is why the industry has one of the highest turnover rates actually out of any other career. Most agents do not make it past year one, believe it or not. Now at this point, I've personally spoken to hundreds of agents, and there definitely are some who have made six figures or even well over $100,000 within their first year. Those are definitely the exceptions to the rule, and truthfully, those are often in specific forms of insurance, such as life insurance or annuities, or maybe long-term care, or maybe they have a very unique and or lucky setup for the group benefit space. All of those types of products pay a lot more commission right up front and not necessarily as much passive income or renewals. So those one-off stories of those making over $100,000 in their first year, they do exist and it can happen, but it's definitely not the majority. You don't see most agents coming out of the gate and making $100,000 in the first year doing this. Personally, I made about $25,000 my first year in insurance, and that again was like 8 or 9 years ago at this point. It's 2017, I believe. So that was not a lot of money, and also the agency I was working at was kind of taking advantage of me and taking a massive cut into my commission level without really providing any sort of help or guidance or mentorship or training or really anything, to be honest. So that's partially my mistake, why I made such a little amount my first year in insurance. But still, for right out of college, $25,000 wasn't the end of the world. Wasn't great, but it definitely could have been worse. And I did go back and do the numbers. If I was at a proper agency or at an agency that was kind of providing more value, that number, instead of being $25,000, probably would have been honestly almost double, kind of around the $45,000-ish to $50,000 mark for my first year. And so it's that second number that is more realistic and a much better representation of what a new first year agent can expect to make during those first 12 months in this industry, about that $40,000-ish to $50,000 income mark. And then one of the beautiful things about the insurance industry is that your income compounds, it snowballs. And what that means is as long as those clients that you helped out in year one stay on your books, they continue to be your client, you are still getting paid on them each and every single month as long as you are their agent of record. And so if you make $40,000 from helping that first set of clients in year one, and you help the exact same amount of clients in year two, then you get the $40,000 from the clients from your first year, and then an additional $40,000 from all those clients that you helped in year two. And if you can do some simple math, $40,000 from year one plus $40,000 from year two is then $80,000. So your second year, you're making about $80,000 if you do exactly what you did in year one. And so then obviously you can do the math from there, which is why I say that all of my full-time insurance agents should be making at least $100,000 by the end of year three. So there you have it. There's your answer. If you are curious about how much money a new insurance agent can make, those are some hypothetical numbers and a good example for you. If all this sounds interesting and appealing, I just have to give a plug for my agency. I'm looking to continue to expand and am looking to bring on more agents. So if that's something that interests you and you think this may be a good career for you, then please reach out. I'd be happy to have a conversation. Once again, my name's Colin Wattenville. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit subscribe, leave a comment, share with a friend, or even just follow us on your favorite social media platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.